Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 4:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is Friday, November 19th, 2021. Why didn't I know that? This is not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when the videos come out. Share the video with your friends and colleagues who are interested in Origin Protocol, OGN. Click the thumbs up as well and let people here on YouTube know the greatness of Origin Protocol as well. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below if you want to see any intraday tweets. In the meantime, let's go take a look at Origin US dollar. We're definitely bouncing off the support line. I've been doing it over the last few days, including this morning. Now we're up. We're up a little bit, not great, but $1.03. I'll take it. But let's see what happens here. This is kind of a dual line of support as well that we bounced off of, and I should do a better job of making this thing much thicker so that people can see it on their phones. So this was the area of dual line of support. We certainly kept above it, so that was what we were looking for. If we did break through it, we were going to pop down to 82, but this thing's too strong of an altcoin to have that level of weakness, in my opinion. So we'll see how this thing pans out. In the meantime, let's go over to Origin Bitcoin. Still, same thing, just complete denial of gravity. A little careful here. We just really want to get over 1817 and ultimately over 1904 to feel comfortable in terms of the Origin Protocol's trajectory. Very, very near term, we do have a small area of support, and it's hard to say. So it's a little bit too short of a term of a trend line for me to pop on there. So I'm going to just take it off for now, and we'll monitor it. But really, floor of support around 1524, area of resistance at 1824. We're kind of hugging this line here, so it's not going to give us much. So in the meantime, let's go flip over to Bitcoin US dollar. Tweeted this out the other day, actually this morning. We did start seeing a resistance line on this pair. So let's just look at it a little more shorter term. We're a little over it right now, which is fine, but still think we're going to trek a little bit down and closer to the 54K range. We almost hit it yesterday at 55,625, but didn't quite get all the way down where I thought we would. So we still might be crawling down that way. Hopefully we get down there quick, because I have a feeling once we hit 54, we bounce up, and we bounce up fast. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is definitely looking very, very attractive in terms of understanding that when Bitcoin dominance goes down, that means there's really no fear. And no matter what Bitcoin's doing, all Bitcoin dominance going down is generally a good sign. That's all you got to remember. That's how I remember it. But we do have an area here of, strangely, an area of resistance on the Bitcoin dominance pair, which is interesting. So hopefully, staying below this is great. And as you can see over the past day, even with Bitcoin up and down, this thing just continues to go down. It doesn't really care about Bitcoin price action. So that's very good for altcoin markets as well as overall crypto markets. So we'll keep our eye on that. But we're at 42.75. Resistance area around 44.29. Anyway, have a good weekend, everyone. Bye.